Learning new things can be quite a challenge. However, that's not the case with Tabidoo. I'm Michaela, and in this video you will learn how to use Tabidoo quickly and easily. Don't you have a Tabidoo account yet? No problem. Sign up with your email, Google or Facebook account. Once you've registered, you will receive an email in which don't forget to confirm your email address. With our templates, you will choose the right app to manage your data. For example, you can download the CRM or the comprehensive system for managing your company's data, Digital Company. Do you have a specific idea of what your application should look like? Feel free to create it yourself. How about creating your own task management? Have a look at our video. We will create it together in a minute. Now it's time to fill your app with data. Do you have your own Excel file? Import your spreadsheets into Tabidoo. Want to manage your agenda in Tabidoo from scratch? Then create your own table. In Tabidoo, you can choose from a variety of columns or data fields. For example, text, date, or file. Create a table to suit your needs. From here, you have the flexibility to easily manage your records or apply filters whenever you want. If you are looking to take your application to the next level with automation or report generation, we've got you covered. You can download extensions at any time and seamlessly integrate them into your app. And let's not overlook the importance of teamwork. You have the option to invite your colleagues to collaborate as application administrators, basic users, or viewers with read-only access to the data. You've just mastered the basics with Tabidoo. Have a look at our other videos and see what Tabidoo is capable of. So feel free to contact us anytime and see you in the next video.